Jiminy Crickets! Greetings, Earthlings! I am here today with a special treat. I am here to unbox the Fall 2018 Nick box. Now normally I would wait till the weekend to unbox this so I could have good lighting, but today's Monday and Halloween is on Wednesday and I want to open it now. Now if you don't know what the Nick box is, it's this amazing subscription box where you pay $49 every 3 months and you get some amazing stuff from old school Nickelodeon that you can't get anywhere else besides in this box. Now I haven't seen any spoilers, so this is all going to be brand new to me, and I really hope that there's some actual Halloween stuff. Last year they really just added like a handful of like Are You Afraid of the Dark and Abra Monster stuff, so alright. What is this? Some Are You Afraid of the Dark socks. One size fits most. They're glow in the dark. You know what's awesome? The box for last fall came with a glow in the dark Are You Afraid of the Dark shirt that I wear all the time, and these will be pretty cool. What? Another one? I got one of these in last year's summer box. I'm assuming it was probably, hopefully, a different Ninja Turtle, but it's just a little vinyl. It's glow in the dark. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Turtles. Ooh, this is weird feeling. Is this an umbrella? Ah, it's an Abra Monsters umbrella. I am not going to open it inside because I don't want to be jinxed, but it looks like it's the one girl from the show. And like, look at the handle. I dig this. Oh, yeah, you never know when it's going to rain in Florida, so I always keep an umbrella in my purse. This is cool. That's something that I like. Ooh, what is this? Zeke the Plumber. Oh, it's another thing from Salute Your Shorts. That's what, like, the whole theme of last season's box was. Looks like it's a short. I don't know who it is, though, but he's scary. Is he supposed to be, like, Freddy Krueger, kind of? Ooh, that's scary. It smells scary, too. Usually their clothes don't smell like this. Bleh. Bleh. I can smell your fear, it says. That shirt must be the scent of fear. Oh no, I think we're almost done. Ooh, Chuckie from Rugrats. Says it's a Chuckie planter. Oh, that's so cute. I can use it for something else, like holding pens or something. A puzzle. Ages 17 and up. This must be some crazy puzzle. 220 pieces. It's a picture of what's on the front of the box. There's a bunch of characters in front of a haunted house. Yeah, this is scary. That's scary, all right. What is this? It's another thing from Are You Afraid of the Dark? It's a pin, but it is heavy. That's so cool. The Tale of a Door Unlocked, Season 5, Episode 2. I think it glows in the dark, too. Love it. Yeah, all that pizza face mask. Let's get this on. I remember this character from all that, and I always, like, I felt weird about it because I've struggled with acne my entire life, and I'm always like, pizza face? That's so mean. All right, let's finish reading this card and talk about everything that I got. So we have, are you afraid of the dark, glow-in-the-dark socks, salute your shorts, Zeke the Plumber t-shirt, Rugrats Chuckie desktop planter, so I guess this goes on your desk and you put a little succulent in there or something, all that pizza face cosplay mask, Real Monsters Oblina umbrella. This is what it looks like when it's open. That is so cute! So excited. TMNT Leonardo Ice Cream Pop Glowing Ooze Edition. Wonder if the other one didn't have glowing ooze. It mustn't have glowed in the dark. I'll have to go find it. And Nicktoons Halloween Jigsaw Puzzle. And then the Are You Afraid of the Dark Tale of the Door Unlocked Enamel Pan. This is so heavy. Like, it's a really heavy pin. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Yes, I know it was not makeup related, but it is something that I do every 3 months on my channel. Yeah, so sign up for the Nick box because it is the best. Anyway, yes, please subscribe and like this video, and I will see you later. Bye. I look scary. The back of this mask is going to be covered in makeup.